All these points are important for MCQs. I am not going to explain in detail. For detailed explanation, I will post many videos. These are all quick revision points for the last minute exam preparation. Reflex action is controlled by central nervous system, spinal cord. Under central nervous system, you have brain and spinal cord. But in reflex action, brain is not involved. This is very important for MCQ. For quick action, the reflex action is carried out only at the level of spinal cord. Brain is not involved in this. Temporal lobe of cerebrum controls the hearing, that is auditory reception. Autonomic nervous system controls involuntary actions of the internal organs of the body. Involuntary means which takes place without our will or without our consciousness. For example, heartbeat. Under autonomic nervous system, you have two, sympathetic and parasympathetic. They have opposite functions. If one increases, the other decreases. Sympathetic nervous system dilates the pupil. Pupil is present in eye. Parasympathetic nervous system constricts the pupil. Sympathetic nervous system increases the heart rate. Parasympathetic decreases the heart rate. Somatic nervous system. Soma means body. So, meaning of soma is body. With that, you can remember easily all the voluntary control of body movements is carried out by skeletal muscles come under somatic nervous system, like walking, running, working. All these works we use, for all these actions we use our skeletal muscles. This is carried out by somatic nervous system. The path of reflex arc is sensory receptors, sensory neurons or afferent neuron, grey matter of the spinal cord, motor neuron or efferent neuron, and effectors. They may be muscles or glands according to the reflex action. Reflex action is unconscious and involuntary in response to a stimulus. Examples of reflex actions are, these are applied questions. Sometimes they may ask you like this. Examples of reflex actions are withdrawal of hands after touching an object, hot object, or withdrawal of body parts after sensing a harmful stimuli, sneeze reflex when the nose gets irritated, cough reflex after throat irritation, lacrimal reflex. For example, if something falls on your eyes, automatically your eye secretes tears. So this is an example of lacrimal reflex. Blinking of eyes, watering of mouth after seeing a food, batting of eyes, and pupillary light reflex. Pupillary light reflex means the constriction of the pupil when light falls on the eye.